In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try Notion AI. This guide will help you understand how to access and use Notion's built-in AI features so you can work faster, stay organized, and get assistance directly inside your workspace. Notion AI is designed to support everyday tasks such as writing, summarizing, planning, and brainstorming, all without needing to leave the app. To begin, open your Notion workspace as you normally would. There is no special setup required because Notion AI is already integrated into the platform. You do not need to download anything or activate a separate subscription just to try it. Once you are inside Notion, the AI tools are already available and ready to use. One of the easiest ways to access Notion AI is through the small AI chat widget located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Clicking this opens a chat interface where you can type a prompt or request. You can ask the AI to summarize notes, In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try Notion AI. This tutorial will walk you through how to access and start using Notion's built-in AI features, so you can work more efficiently and keep everything organized inside one workspace. Notion AI is designed to assist with writing, summarizing, planning, and organizing ideas, making it a helpful tool for both personal and professional use. To get started, open your Notion workspace as you normally would. There is no special setup required because Notion AI is already integrated into the platform. You do not need to download additional software, enable extensions, or sign up for a separate service. As soon as you are logged into Notion, the AI features are available and ready to use. One of the quickest ways to access Notion AI is through the AI chat widget, located in the bottom right corner of the Notion window. Once you click this icon, a chat interface will appear. This is where you can type prompts or requests, such as asking the AI to summarize notes, generate content ideas, rewrite text, or help you plan a project. After typing your request, press enter and give the AI a moment to respond, especially for longer or more detailed prompts. Another convenient way to use Notion AI is directly within a page while you are writing. When your cursor is inside a text block, simply press the spacebar. This action brings up the AI assistant right where you are working. This method is especially useful when you want quick suggestions, improved wording, or expanded explanations without breaking your focus or switching views. You can also access Notion AI from the left sidebar of your workspace. There is an option labeled Notion AI, which opens a more dedicated interface. This area is useful when working on larger tasks, such as organizing long documents, analyzing content, or generating structured outlines. It provides a flexible space to interact with the AI and manage more complex requests. Notion AI is built to feel natural and easy to use, allowing you to access help from different parts of your workspace depending on what you are doing. If the AI does not appear immediately, refreshing the page or confirming that you are properly logged in usually fixes the issue. Occasionally, updates or account settings may affect visibility, but access is generally enabled by default. That is all there is to it. You now know how to try Notion AI and begin using it to support your daily tasks, improve productivity, and streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.